the reason I went to SuperSport is, one, I knew Hore Coach Chiefs, it's at home, and I was very comfortable. I was even playing games when I knew Hore I did not deserve to play games, because my performance were not deserving, according to me, were not deserving to play some of the games, right? And I was not happy with my performance, especially the last season, where we still played 2 cup finals, lost both, and went on, I think, struggled to win the top 8.
Yes, I remember that season.
When the season, and also for me it was the season, Coach Steve Kompela, and for me I felt we failed one of our own. It's when also the talks a black coach cannot coach Kaizer Chiefs, and I felt that was an opportunity for us to help him as a black coach by winning at least 1 trophy, so that he can build up from there.
And also it changes the narrative that South Africans can't coach Chiefs.
And losing 2 cup finals then, and not doing well more leaguing, it sort of damaged that, and then fueled that narrative as well.